Okay, so now let us go to this ClickBank website. So I'm now on this website, clickbank.com. And what is ClickBank? ClickBank is a very popular online affiliate program and network for us to join and promote some of their products there. So ClickBank are for two groups of people. So first are the product creators, and the second group is the digital marketers. So for the program that we are covering is more for the digital marketers and most commonly known as affiliate marketers. And for the product creators, so these are for the group of people who have their own products and they will upload to ClickBank. And then we as the digital marketers, as the affiliates, will go to the marketplace and to take a look at the products. So let me just run through very quickly. So if you come to clickbank.com, click on the marketplace. So after you click on the marketplace, you can see on the left side there are a lot of categories that you can choose. For example, let us select the parenting and families. And under parenting and families, there are so many products, and all these are digital products or virtual products that you can help to promote. And if you are interested to promote this product, for example, you can click on this link to see what is their sales page, the landing page. Okay, and if you decided that you want to promote this product, you can simply click on promote and enter your account, ClickBank account nickname here. And after that, when you click create, they will give you a special link. So that special link is for you to use to promote in any kind of media, in Facebook, in email, in anywhere that you want to bring sales, okay, to through your link. And after, when people click on your link and purchase, then you'll be able to earn a commission. So that's how ClickBank works. And let us bring out the slides first. So let me do a quick recap. So first, you have to select a product to promote in ClickBank, and then you get your affiliate link. Third, you drive traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, so in the rest of these lessons in this course, I will teach you how to select a good product to promote, how to use direct linking strategy, how to drive traffic to your ClickBank affiliate link, and how to create a squeeze page to capture leads for long-term recurring income. Okay, so right now what I need you to do is to go over to ClickBank and click the sign up link and go ahead and sign up a free account right now, because in the next lesson you are going to use your ClickBank account and we start promoting the products.